is our CVT transmission kit for the Honda Ruckus. We changed a few things, so I just wanted to go over that with you real quick. This is the clutch that we have. It only now comes with just this black clutch bell that you're seeing right now. We used to send out one that had the fins on it, but now this one is set for if you're either going to run your cover on or your cover off. So it works either way. You'll also be receiving this quality Kevlar belt. We're going to do the Teflon coated variator, and then we have the rollers, which are great for custom tuning. So these come from 3 grams all the way up to, I believe, 14 grams, and that way you can really play with the weights to see what works best for you. There's so many people out there, obviously, that weigh different weights, are riding in different terrains and all that kind of stuff. So this tuning kit is really awesome to let you really customize it to exactly what works perfectly for you. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to go over a video because we've changed a few things, and it's also allowed us to cut our costs down. So hopefully you guys will like that improvement as well. So here is the transmission kit for the Honda Ruckus, and we hope to see a lot of them out on the road. You can buy this kit by going to our website at rollingwrenchdenver.com, and you can also purchase it. We'll put a link below in this video. Click on that and it'll take you right there to purchase the kit.